Welcome to Career Station. This is our lecture theory of Matlab, and in this lecture, we are going to see how can we solve any expression having the variable, and how can we define any variable in Matlab. So here we have the question number 6 of the book that we are using, and the question is define the variable z as z is equals to 4.5, then value it. Then we have two expressions that we have to solve, which have the variable z. So let's start. First, we have to define the variable as z equals to 4.5 and press the semicolon, enter. Now you can see here it shows we have defined as z is equals to 4.5. Now we are going to solve the expression. You have to copy the expression we have done the expression solution in lecture 1 and 2. Similarly, 0.4 into z power 4. So z power 4 and bracket into z power 4. Now let's solve to plus 3.1 into z square. Again z square and close the bracket. Now minus 162.3 into z minus 80.7, that's 0.4 z power 4 plus 3.1 into z square minus 162.3 into z and minus 80.7. Let's hit the enter and it shows the answer as minus 5.824 exponent 2, or you can see here minus 584. Now let's solve the expression number 2, that's z cube. First, one bracket, z power 3, that means z cube minus 23 bracket close, and these two are between the division, so divided by the next is bracket cube root. So the command or the syntax for the cube root of cube root is nth root and the bracket nth root bracket z square, so z square plus 17.5 comma, and that's the cube root, that's why 3 and comma bracket close and again bracket close, and that's the answer 20.308. So this is how you can define a single variable and then solve the expression having that variable. So that's so easy. You can solve the question number 7. You have the variable t is equals to 3.2, and then you have to type the expression and then solve it. This is also the same, and the next is here you have to define two variables. So we are going to see how can we define two or the three variables. Like question number 9 is consist of four variables. So this is we are going to cover in the lecture number 4. So that's all for this lecture number 3. Hope you will subscribe Guide Station and share to your friends. Thank you.